Let's talk about the Xiaomi Mi Note 10. And this phone costs 599 euros, packs 5 cameras, 108 megapixels on the primary camera, and it has two zoom lenses. I'm going to jump into this box right now. So quickly giving you a tour around the box, you can see on the right hand side, on the bottom, sorry, we've got the Glacier White version, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage. Glacier White, really reminiscent of Huawei P30 Pro. I think it's the unicorn color, Aurora, maybe that was the name of it. It looks literally like a P30 Pro, but that isn't necessarily such a bad thing because the P30 Pro is a beautiful device and this looks sweet. Gorilla Glass on the front and back, curved glass front, curved glass back. I'm gonna power this baby up, put it to one side while it boots up, and I will talk you around what is in that box. Pick up some literature. Oh, this feels like there's something in there. It is almost definitely a case. SIM eject tool, you've got the case as well, and some more papers, as you can see. Put that to one side, take out the case, and right there, all wraparound case around the top, bottom, left, and right. Put that to one side. It comes with a 30-watt fast charger as well as a USB-C to USB-A power connector. Can't get the fast charger out. There you go. I'm going to jump into this so you can see what's going on inside, and I'll also run through the specs, which are a combination of incredible, the battery, and meh, the processor. Bam, all set up and it's looking glorious. 6.47-inch AMOLED display, gets up to 600 nits peak brightness. You've got a bit more bezel going on around the side than you do on phones like the P30 Pro, even if around the back it looks so similar. Even at the top, it's got the flattened top and bottom, but what you do have at the bottom is a headphone jack, which you didn't on the P30 Pro. On top of that, volume and power button on the right hand side, and a water droplet camera at the top of the phone. Inside, its specs are a mixed bag, like I was saying. There's a Snapdragon 730G processor combined with 6 gigs of RAM and a 128 gigabyte storage capacity. Despite that higher mid-range processor, a massive battery, 5,260 milliamps, supports that 30-watt fast charging. The 5 cameras are a strange setup. You've got 108 megapixels on the primary camera, ridiculous. It uses pixel binning, squishes those down into 27 megapixel images. You've also got 2 zoom cameras. One is 5 times 5 megapixels, the other is, and that has optical image stabilization, the other is 2 times. You've got a macro camera, which is just 2 megapixels, and a depth sensor as well. So what you get with the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 is a mid-range experience when it comes to processor and potentially storage and RAM configurations, and you get a flagship experience when it comes to battery and camera. How that translates into the real world, we're yet to find out, and it isn't cheap, but neither is it crazy expensive. Stay tuned to this channel. If you've got any questions about it, fire them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer, and I'll hopefully get a review out for you guys as soon as possible. If you haven't already checked it out, check out my Mi 9T Pro review. Loved that phone. Thanks for watching. Bye.